Children, earlier we have studied about that in this story there is a girl named Jaya and his friend elephant calf Deva. They have so close bonding and they are so friendly. And here Jaya wished to go to see Mysore Dasera. So we will further read that what happened to Jaya. Did she went to see Mysore or not? Okay, so let's start. Okay, I will read the paragraph. Just go through it. Here, I will bring you some Mysore Pak. Jaya hoped her father had remembered to keep his promise about the sweet. They were trumpeted happily as he saw his little friend hurrying home, balancing the pots on her head. So, children, here Jaya's father was chief of the biggest tribe and he has taken some herbal medicine and honey to royal court. Then what happened next? Okay, Mysore Pak. What is Mysore Pak here? Mysore Pak is a sweet dish of South India. So Jaya wished that her father has bought her the sweet. So she shouted to Deva to bring that sweet for him. That he will, when her father will bring that sweet, she will bring that sweet for him also. So Deva trumpeted. Trumpeted means shouted happily and saw her friend hurrying home. Okay. So when Jaya neared her home, she saw people crowding there. Ah, Appa is already home, she said. She poured the water from the pots into the clean trough in the cow shed and ran into the hut. The cows moved and walked to the fresh water. Okay, as she neared her home, she saw people crowding there. So, by this she knew that her Appa means her father, was returned home. So, she poured the water in the clean trough and ran to his father. Okay, and here cows moved and walked to the fresh water. Okay, to drink the fresh water. Jaya's father lifted her up and seated her on his lap with a big smile. He was telling the people from his tribe about Mysuru, the new king there, the magnificent palace, the throne made up of pure gold, the wide roads, the crowded markets where everything was available, and the huge temples. He said the city was getting ready for the big festival called Dasera. So what happened, children? As his father saw her, he lifted her and seated her on his lap. Lap means god mein. He was describing to the people about Mysuru, that how Mysuru looked. It was magnificent palace. Throne was made up of pure gold, wide roads, markets, huge temples. He also told that city was getting ready for the big festival, Dasera. Okay. Next paragraph. He said during the festival, the king himself leads a grand parade of royal deities, noble families, military officers, soldiers, dancers, camels, horses, and elephants. The people listened in wonder as they sucked at their Mysore Pak. Please take me to Mysuru, Appa, Jaya said. Okay, children, I will explain this paragraph. While his father was explaining what happened, he also said that during the festival, the king himself leads a grand parade of royal deities, noble families, military officers, soldiers, dancers, camels, horses, and elephants. All these things will be there, and the king himself lead all these things. Okay, while Jaya's father was describing, people were eating. What they were eating? They were eating Mysore Pak and listening him carefully. Okay, Jaya was also listening and she also wanted to go to Mysore and wanted to see the Mysore Dasera. So she requested her father to take her Mysore. Please take me, Appa. Take me to Mysuru, Appa. So what happened next? We will read the next paragraph. It is very far, daughter. Your legs are too small for the long journey. This year I will take your brother for Dasera, said her father, patting her head affectionately. Jaya jumped out of his lap and darted into the forest. Deva snored joyfully on seeing his best friend again. Jaya ran to him and buried her face in his trunk, sobbing. I can walk too, Deva, you know that. But Appa will only take my brother to Mysuru. I too want to see the Dasara parade. Okay, what happened? When Jaya's father, what happened? When she told that when she requested her father to please take me also, then what happened? His father said that Mysore is too far and her legs are too small for the long journey. Her father patted her lovingly and told her that this year he will take his brother. But here, when Jaya's father refused her to take Mysuru, Jaya felt angry and jumped out of her father's lap and she ran to the forest. Seeing her again, Deva snorted joyfully that her friend has came again. Seeing her again, Deva snorted joyfully. Jaya ran to him and buried her face in his trunk, sobbing. Sobbing means crying, and told him that she too wanted to see the Dasara parade. Okay, hope you understood this paragraph, children. Learn the hard words of this lesson. Okay, thank you. Children,